Okay, so there's 4 red counters here and 3 blue counters here. So how many is that altogether? Yeah, 7. How did you get that? You thought a long time. You did a good job. You were patient.
I started at 4, then I count these fingers.
Okay.
These.
But you didn't have to count those. You just started there.
Yeah.
Good strategy. And then you kind of slow. Okay, that's a good strategy.
Yeah.
Right. This time we're gonna put 7. 7 reds and 2 blues. How much is that all together?
9.
So, but before I even asked the question, how'd you get that?
I just count 7 before you put that. And then I count the rest before I put this.
Great. Okay. So you don't have to count those, right?
Yeah.
All right. How about 8 reds and 5 blues? How much is that all together? What? Remember how many are under here? 8.
Oh.
There's 8. And under here, there's 5.
13.
How'd you do that one?
I just start pretending to do away and then put that to the 10 from the 5 and then I add the 5.
Love it.
Or the remains of the 5.
So
And
8.
it equals 13.
So 8, and then you took 2 from the 5 to make 10, and then 13. We've been working on that in class. Good for you. Okay, this one is 12.
12.
12 and 4 blues. How much is that all together?
16.
Good. How'd you do that one?
I remembered the rules and then I just add them.
You remembered the blue or the red?
Oh.
Oh, you remembered what I said?
I started from here and then I add these. And then it equals the answer.
So was it like 12, 13, 14, 15, 16? How'd you do that without actually moving? I was watching pretty carefully and you were not moving your fingers. So how were you, how'd you know when to stop? How'd you know when you did 4?
I just remember the blue.
That's really good brain power.
Yeah.
Because you were counting up, yeah? Did you say in your brain 13, 14, 15, 16?
Like that, yeah.
How did you know when you had done 4 if you weren't like doing this?
Because I was doing it in my head.
Excellent. It's a good idea to use your head. Huh?
Yeah.
All right. Next one is, there's 8 counters. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Let me just check. Yep, 8. And I'm putting some blue ones under here, and all together it's 11. So how many did I put under?
Can I touch this?
Sure.
Three.
And how do you know there were three?
First, let's uncover.
Huh?
So
So you touching them? What were you doing?
I
You were
was
touching.
filling them. So I knew that it was 2 away from 10. And then you said 11, and 11 one more after 10.
You're
So,
really
yeah.
filling my bucket. You're really filling my bucket. So by touching them, were you just kind of checking your brain?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kinda.
Yeah, I know. That's a good idea. to check your brain. Okay. We're gonna keep going. You're doing great. Partially screened and one screen.
I do.
I'm putting 6 here. Oh, I see what there's. And there's 3 here. How much is that altogether?
9.
How'd you get that one?
Pretend this is my head.
It's what?
My brain.
For your brain.
I put the counters in. I knew. Since 6 4 is 4 away from 10. I knew these 4 would equal 9.
Got it.
And I use the counters like person. It's pretty cute.
Okay. Can you take 13 out of there for me?
Or 13 out. Six.
Perfect. Okay.
Still.
Okay, now we're gonna do, I know there are. See that. Okay, so now I'm gonna we're gonna change it up a little. 7. And I'm gonna take, so there's 7 under there. I'm gonna take 2 away. How many are under there now?
Five.
How'd you do that? Took 2 away. So how'd you get 5? Again, you thought for a long time. That's good.
First, you need to give me these counters. Then, I did it. Since 6 is before 7, you took 1 away. That would equal 6. So I solved that problem, and then I subtracted 1 from 6, and that would equal 5.
Good.
And I'm sorry about that counter.
Perfect.
That's all off the table.
Okay, we're gonna go a little higher. That was 7.
Oh, how many
8,
did
9,
you
10, 11, 12.
Let me get it.
Okay. Yep, I see it. Thank you.
The rubber band.
Thank you. Okay, so now there's
Camera, by the way.
12,
And
and I'm gonna take 3 away. How many are under there now?
none.
Oh, that was quicker. How'd you do that so quick? How'd you do that so quickly?
First, it took 2 ways. That would equal 10. one more would equal 9.
So you're chunking to get to 10.
So basically, since you took 2 away, 3 away, 9. So, been having coughs or sneezes lately, sorry. But, so, since he took
Use 12, take away 3.
so I took away 1, and I saw his 11 very fast. And then I took another way and I saw his 10. And then I just knew it was 9.
Your first answer to me sounded like you took away 2 right away. I thought you said I took away 2 and that was 10.
Yeah.
Which is also a really good strategy. Let's see if that strategy works. 12, 13, 14. Here's 15. Okay.
What?
Now there's 15. And I'm going to take away 4. How many are there now?
How many did you take away?
4. And there were 15.
So, first I'm going to answer what 9 minus 3 is.
Okay.
Then, so I need some more counters. Maybe. Seven.
7.
47.
What?
47.
47? How many did I start with?
15.
Oh, what did you say?
15.
15. Not 50.
15.
Almost sounds like you heard like you, it almost sounds like you said 50. 15.
Yes.
Okay. And I took 4 away.
Oh, 46.
46. And how did you get 46? What was your strategy?
So,
Was that,
so that's the answer?
how did you get 46? I'm more concerned not about the answer, but how you got the answer.
So, can I just write on a piece of paper?
Just tell me how you did it. Yeah.
So,
First, try to tell me.
I do the marker with pictures, okay? Because pictures is kind of my thing.
So how many is that?
That is 15.
Can you write the number? Write that number for me on the table.
I forgot what 15 was. Give me 15.
Yeah, 15. I keep thinking you're saying 50 is why I asked you. 15, and if I'm taking away 4,
Oh, it'll leave me with a silly me. So that's my goodness. So how I come up with it. First I get stretched. I don't know why, but I tried to get all my stretches out when I got all my clothes on. So I start out with 15. As so the problem of 15 minus 4, 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 equals 4.
Mm-hmm.
Then I have to figure out what 4 minus 1 was.
Mm-hmm.
4 minus 1 was 3. And then I have to figure out the question of what 3 minus 1.
Mm-hmm.
2.
Mm-hmm.
And you take away 4, right?
Yep.
So that would leave me, I think, with 20.
20.
I think.
Okay, write the number 20. Yeah.
20 has one of these, right?
Nope.
No. Oh, sorry. 20. What's this?
That is, I know markers. What is that?
2.
A 2. Got it.
It is kind of hard to write.
It is the markers, not markers. Okay, go ahead and count those. Take the 4 away. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go ahead and count those. See if you're right.
Let me put them in a row first. 2 rows. And this is odd.
Oh, we have 3 more questions. So go ahead. Yep.
1,
Oh,
2,
good.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11.
Yeah.
So my first answer was right.
What was your first answer?
11.
When was that? I'll have to watch the video. I don't remember you saying 11. I heard 40 something. Okay. Couple more questions. Can you read this for me?
15 minus 2, 20.
What does that say?
15 minus 20.
50 minus 20. Okay. And what does this say?
22 minus 80.
22 minus
80.
80. Okay. And last question. There's 19 counters under here.
So
There's
my
19.
counters.
Okay. $19. Taking some away. Now there's 17. How many did I take away?
2.
How'd you know that? How'd you do that one? I like the confidence.
Those things are useless.
I didn't see your fingers going.
I
saw
use
you
my
think.
brain.
You used your brain. What did that sound like?
This was 90. 7 is 2 away from 9. That's how. I just knew.
You just surprised me. 7 is 2 away from 9.
Yes.
We were just talking about that.
Because
So
7 is 3 away from 10.
man, your brain is growing.
Yeah,
We
it's
are
been
done.
great.
I appreciate your help.
Now.